Responding to the call of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and in tune with the rest of the country and the state, the integrated youths of Tripura on the occasion of Van Mahotsav planted a tree on Thursday morning beside Kumari Tila Park adjacent to BT College as part of the Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam program. A tree was planted in the name of Ma Malati Naha. The chief guest of this tree plantation program was Jaya Dhanuk, corporator of Ward number 7 of the municipal corporation. Special guest present was Satyajit Naha, a social worker and recipient of the President's Award. Other notable dignitaries present at the event included Kumari Tila Booth President Dipanjan Banik, Barnali Sangha Club Secretary Papia Chaudhary, social workers Paresh Shaha and Adhir Bhomik, advocate Shayan Naha, GB Bazar Traders Association Secretary Chittaranjan Datta, West Tripura District President of Senior Citizens and Pensioners Association Shiv Shankar Shen and women leader Jaya Ray among others.